Hey gamers! If you're looking for the perfect mechanical keyboard to level up your setup, stay with me because today we're diving into the AULA F99 wireless mechanical keyboard. I'll break down all its features, show you why it's a must-have, and let you in on a possible flash sale, so don't skip a second. Also, hit the like button and subscribe to Top Deals Unlocked for the best tech deals. The AULA F99 is a tri-mode mechanical keyboard, giving you 3 ways to connect: Bluetooth 5.0, 2.4 GHz wireless, or USB-C wired. This means seamless switching between your PC, gaming console, tablet, or smartphone without missing a beat. Plus, with hot-swappable switches, you can easily customize your typing feel without soldering. Why is this keyboard a game changer? First, it's built with a gasket-mounted structure and a silicone dampening pad, meaning every keystroke feels ultra-smooth and quiet. Perfect for gaming or work. The RGB backlighting is another highlight. Featuring 16 programmable lighting effects, it's fully customizable to match your style. And for those long gaming sessions, the 8,000 mAh rechargeable battery ensures you stay in action without frequent charging. Durability is key, and the double-shot PBT keycaps guarantee that your keys won't fade over time. Plus, with N-key rollover, every keystroke registers instantly, giving you an edge in fast-paced games. I personally tested the AULA F99, and trust me, it delivers on every promise. It's an original product, and there might be a limited-time deal right now, so don't wait. If you're serious about upgrading your gaming setup, click the link below and grab yours today before the sale ends. See you in the next Top Deals Unlocked review.